Good morning, Snow Farm friends and family. It's Dani, Program Director here at Snow Farm. Hope you all had a really great long weekend. Here in Western Massachusetts, it was just beautiful. I personally got to do a lot of gardening and take some hikes and work on a book project that I've been pulling pages together for months. Did a little binding, which was very satisfying. I also saw a couple friends in a really socially distant and safe and respectful way. It was a great reminder of the power of in-person connections. Here at Snow Farm, we're working really hard to bring people together again. We know that extra precautions are going to need to be taken to keep everybody safe. It's our number one priority. We're pouring through the guidelines and figuring out what that's going to look like. Group sizes will need to be kept smaller. We'll have to have extra staff to ensure that everybody who comes to campus has a safe experience. But we really believe it's so important to bring people together around art, especially during this difficult time that we've all been going through. Art and the creative process, engagement in craft, they all have the power to help us heal, to ground us, to help us process difficult thoughts and emotions, and really review and reaffirm our commitment to life and to beauty, and all of these things are needed now more than ever. So we can't wait to see you. My fingers and toes are crossed that it could be as soon as August, but we'll keep you posted. And that's all for now. I look forward to it. Take care. Bye-bye.